Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened. I think the battery or the phone reset on me. But she's running pretty good. I'm happy with that. Check engine light is gone. We reset the code. We now have pressure. She's warming up nicely. Hey, who knows? Maybe we'll be able to take this down the street for a quick ride after we get it back together. So let's turn this baby off. All right, we definitely got something rattling like marbles. Could be the idler, pulley, or a pump bearing going bad or something. I don't know. We'll have to take a look at that one step at a time. But yeah, so I don't know if this sensor was bad or the sheer fact that it was loose. But nonetheless, there you have it. So oil pressure sending unit reading 0 PSI and or low pressure. This was the culprit. Now, whether or not it was because this was loose or whether or not it was because it's bad, doesn't matter. But this is your issue. At least for me it was. So now, at least, I know I can run the vehicle and I could move it from this side of the garage over to the other side of the garage, or I could at least move it out into the driveway where I can start cleaning this baby up. So, all right, that's it for now. And I'll be back momentarily with another video on my next step. Okay, catch you guys later.